Okay, welcome to the first section of the affiliate marketing course. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Facebook in order to sell your services, in order to sell your products. First of all, I will talk a little bit why Facebook is such a good opportunity in order to make some sales. And later on, I will teach you how you can use Facebook correctly in order to get more sales. So, no matter if you sell services or actual products, Facebook has a lot of different groups from all kinds of topics. And so this is a perfect place in order to make some sales. Again, I will use the example of our marketing company called marketinghope.net, and we will be trying to sell some SEO services. So, in order to sell our SEO services, we already joined a lot of groups. And now I will teach you how you can make a lot of money through posting in Facebook groups. So first of all, you will try to get in as many groups as possible. There are two different types of groups. First of all, there are groups where you can sell something. So again, here you can set up a price and then you can actually list your product or your service in the group. And there are also groups where you are not allowed to sell something. I will show you an example of this right now. And this is a group where you are just allowed to write some posts, but of course you can also try to sell your services in groups like this. I already have a lot of templates ready. I will show you them now. And it's really important that you just don't spam those websites. You should join not more than 10 groups every single day. Otherwise you will get banned for, 7 or 14 days. And it's also important that you don't post too often. Make sure that every single post is unique, or at least that you have a rotation of, 10 posts. And you will start with the first post today, second post tomorrow, third post the next day, and so on. And after you've reached 10 posts, you will start with the first post again. So it's really important to have a rotation. What you also can do is use a tool called Spintax. And with this tool, you can manipulate your posts like this. And if you paste it in here and you spin it, you will get a different text every single time. This is also a very good way on how to be authentic and make your post look natural. Okay, so I already have this post prepared. According to my tests, I already took a look which posts convert better and which post just doesn't. Again, this is test and learn. You should always try out different texts, different methods, different captions, different prices. This is up to you. You will find this out very soon if you put in the work. So, usually for English groups, I noticed that short and precise text always convert better. And you also want to have not clickbait, but really intriguing titles. So this is the title. I will paste it in here. Selling indexed high traffic do follow guest blog posts. Price will be $50. Again, you can play around with the price. Now I will paste it in here. You can add a city if you want to, but I don't think that this is necessary. And now you're going to implement, a logo of your website, something like this. Or what you can also do, this is something I already prepared. You can also add some graphics. And I will add this graphic. This one looks quite nice. Okay. And no worries, you don't have to do this in every single group. What you will do is click here and then select every single group you want this post to be posted on. And again, you can do this in every single topic and every single niche. Just try to find out the best groups from your topic. And I'm pretty sure that you have a limit of only 21 groups where you can post at once. Now I'll post, and We have everything ready. Now we will have to wait until someone contacts us so we can give them our sales pitch. Now, the problem with groups like this where you can't post products or other services is that you can't just create one article and post it in 20 groups at once. But we have a tool for this, and this is called Pilot Poster. And this tool is quite easy to set up. I will log in now. Okay, the first thing you will have to do is first you will have to assign a Facebook account to this tool. It's quite easy. You just press on add an account, then you type in your email and your password from the Facebook account, then you generate a token, and you will have to paste the generated token in here, and then you press on add Facebook account, and that's it. No worries, they won't do any kind of stuff with your account. They just use the Facebook API in order to get access to your account. And now you can set up different posts. I already have quite a lot of posts set up already. You can add a new post if you want to. And here you will type in whatever you want. You can have this beautiful background. You can also add a product price if you want to also post in other groups. So in the groups where you can add the products. Post interval time, I usually set this to around 600 seconds. This sounds like a lot, but Facebook just doesn't like it when you have short post intervals. It will not look natural and you may get banned for 7 days. And now all of your groups get listed here, and what you actually can do is you can create different kind of groups. So you just add, I don't know, those 5 groups, create a new category, call this, I don't know, and then you can save it. And now every time you want to post something, you have your groups ready, and you just have to press on this one button, and then all of the groups are selected with one click. And you can also save those posts, and once those posts are saved, you don't have to, I don't know, paste in the text anymore. You can just click here on Save Posts, and then you press here, and then the template is already done, and you just have to post it. You can also schedule your posts. With this, it's really important to have an auto pause after a couple of posts. So I don't know, after 5 posts, you can have an auto pause of, I don't know, 10 minutes. This looks natural to me. Repeat frequency every single day, obviously. And then you have everything set up properly. Pause interval should be 10 minutes. Okay. This is everything you need to know. If you want to do the service for my company, marketinghope.net, then obviously after you've posted, people will get interested to you. Once they are interested, you will obviously send them a PM and you will give them my sales pitch. I will provide you with a template, and the most important thing is that the process for the client is as easy as possible. So you have to test, and again you have to test around and see what works best, because I know for a fact that a lot of people that are interested and will comment on your posts, they actually want a really simple process. So they just want to send you the money, you will do the service, and done. And since you will create the posts for me, the service gets quite complicated, because first you have to refer them to me, and then I can give them the sales pitch. So if you feel comfortable, you will give the entire sales pitch, and you just link them to the products from our website. This, you can see this here. Here are all of our products. But of course you can only do this if you're educated in SEO. If you have no clue about SEO, then how in the world are you going to answer those questions? So if you have no idea about SEO, but you still want to work with us, then you will just refer them to me or to our team as fast as possible. I will have all the resources, of course, ready for you in the download section.